Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add collaborators to your Opensea collection of NFTs. So this is very useful, especially if you want to invite other artists to your NFT collection, and it's a great way to split earns and rewards. It's also a great way to make sure that everyone creates their own NFT within your collection. So that this way they will show up on your page. It will be a collaborative page and collection, but different users would be able to create new items or earn from them. So first thing that's very important before proceeding with whatever you decide to do is to create a collection. So this can happen from here, where you go to the page My Collections and click on Create a Collection. Something that is very important also is to then proceed, and after creating a collection, at the same page it will appear here, and it will be to add collaborators. So I'm going to show now how to do that. You click on those three dots and you click on Edit Collection. You scroll at the end of the page and you will see that here you can add collaborators to the collection. What does that mean? It means that they can receive payments for items that they have created, they can create new items, and they can modify collection settings. The only thing that they won't be able to do is to change whatever you have typed here in earnings. So here in earnings, you can add creator earnings and set them to up to 10%. And you can change this address to whatever you need or add multiple addresses as long as it's up to 10% of split revenue.